In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your own custom voice in ElevenLabs. By the end, you'll know exactly how to log in, upload a high-quality sample, and turn it into a tailored voice you can use right inside the platform. Keep your audio handy and make sure you have the rights and permission to use the voice you're uploading. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for ElevenLabs. Click through to the official site. Once you're on the home page, look for the Login button. This takes you to the secure sign-in page, where you can access your existing account. Enter your email and password to sign in. Take a moment to double-check that your credentials are correct and avoid pasting sensitive information where it could be saved in plain text. If your account supports extra security, it's a good idea to keep it enabled. When everything looks good, click Login to continue. After you're in, head to the Voices section. This is the workspace where you manage voice libraries, review your creations, and start new voice builds. It's the hub for everything we're doing today. Look for the plus icon and choose Instant Voice Clone. This tool creates a custom voice profile from a sample you provide. Before you proceed, remember to only upload audio that you own or have permission to use. Respecting consent and usage right keeps your projects ethical and compliant. Now prepare your audio file. Aim for clear, natural speech recorded in a quiet environment, ideally using a decent microphone. Keep background noise to a minimum and avoid heavy processing like reverb or aggressive noise reduction. A short clip that includes a range of tones, pacing, and emotion helps the model capture the nuances of your voice. When you're ready, drag and drop your file into the uploader. You can also use the file picker if you prefer. Wait for the upload to finish and don't navigate away until it's complete. Once the file is uploaded, you can create and personalize your custom voice. Give it a descriptive name so it's easy to find later. Explore the available settings to adjust characteristics like clarity, stability, or style to better match how you want the voice to sound. Use a short, neutral test script to preview results, then fine-tune until you're happy with the tone, pacing, and consistency. When you're satisfied, save your settings. Your custom voice is now ready to use in ElevenLabs, giving you a reliable, personalized voice profile for your future projects.